Southwestern Japan hunkering down as Typhoon Dolphin lashes the region. It's the 13th typhoon to affect Japan this year, sweeping across Kyushu, Amami and Okinawa, forcing evacuations and flight cancellations. Japan's Met Agency says the storm is packing winds of around 144 kilometers per hour, with gusts of nearly 200 kilometers per hour. The slow-moving storm expected to bring prolonged rain, raising the risk of flooding and landslides. Typhoon Dolphin moving westwards towards China. It is expected to make landfall along the country's eastern coast this weekend. Parts of Japan already feeling the effects of Dolphin. CNA senior correspondent Michiyo Ishida has the latest from Tokyo.
Okinawa has been experiencing powerful wind and rain with level 4 warnings issued out of 5 for rain and mudslides. And due to its slow speed, it could last until Sunday. Now, there are reports of people falling and hurting themselves from strong winds. Thousands of homes are reported without power, flights suspended and will remain suspended on Saturday. And Okinawa is a popular destination. Supermarkets are closed, parks and aquariums are closed, and on Thursday afternoon, local authorities have opened evacuation shelters. And in Amami Island, north of Okinawa, over 20,000 homes have lost power, and the situation is similar to Okinawa. Now the concern is Kumamoto. Last Tuesday, it was hit by a magnitude 7.1 earthquake, and according to the prefectural government, 17,000 homes were damaged, and Kumamoto is not expected to be directly hit by Typhoon Dolphin, but rain clouds could further scar the quake-stricken areas. And as a temporary measure against the heavy rain, resident and self-defense forces have been covering roofs of damaged homes with blue sheets.
And Tan Soo-hui looks at how cities in China's eastern coast are stepping up their emergency preparations.
Authorities have maintained a yellow alert for eastern China. That is the third strongest level in a 4-tiered system. Intensity could reach strong typhoon level this weekend. Strong winds and rains are expected in Fujian and Zhejiang province. Authorities have also activated a level 4 emergency response for geological disaster prevention, with tier 1 being the strongest. So they're stepping up prevention and monitoring the rainfall that is expected over the weekend. Major hubs near Shanghai, including refueling hubs, as well as a passenger ferry services, they have halted their services. Even Ningbo City in Zhejiang province, they have suspended their maritime tourism activities as well as shut down coastal attractions. Now, in other parts of China, they're also awaiting the heavy rainfall. Already in northwest province Shanxi, 25,000 people have evacuated on Thursday after rainfall had caused roads to collapse.